hiding it.
This one has some text communication. Looks like line workers for the CTOS box.
Keep it on the down low, sounds pretty suspicious.
You're onto something, Marcus. Keep going. Find another box.
Guys?
What up?
This ain't no regular CTOS box.
Sure it is. They all are.
It's got a killer exfil filter or something. I can't get in.
Hack its net. See if you can disable it from there.
No, for real? Oh, man. Wait. No. Makes sense. Shit out of
And now I got an email from Central.
What are the numbers about?
Got me.
Looks like controls for various outputs from houses in that neighborhood. He's assigning a coefficient to select outputs.
Outputs for what?
Track down the hub and let's see what they're doing with them.
Shit, man. You think the driver's okay? Of course I see it. Oh, I don't know.
Madre de Dios,
Ay, ay,
what's
ay.
going on?